Hey, Bean Beauties, are y'all on the fringe of things? Because this might be something that goes along with that. Because I'm always on the fringe of the trends. I'm always on the fringe of what the new stuff is. Okay, I'm trying too hard. If you want to know what's in this box, just come on back in just a little bit, okay? Okay, Bean Beauties, oh my gosh. So I believe this is an eBay purchase. I didn't do my normal check-in because y'all, I'm trying to open the things like semi quickly. And in my world, means, you know, not from 2 or 3 years ago. So I did have quite a bit of purchases that I purchased in December. Okay. So this is from an eBay seller. And this is how they pack it. Ooh. And oh, nice. Lots of bubble wrap. Oh. I just knocked that noise was my bracelet falling off. Hold on. Okay, so this is Dooney Bourke. And I bought it off of eBay. And I was highly influenced by Caleb Snell. Caleb, you know, how many bags have you influenced me to buy?
I have never heard someone say so many wrong things, one after the other, consecutively in a row.
A lot. So this is definitely one of those things where I'm going, I wouldn't have bought it, but he did his video of the trends of 2025, and what's in here is a part of that trend, and I was like, you know what, I grew up in the 70s. I'm like over that trend. But then I saw this at a great price, and did Dee Dee decide to buy it? She did, because it's a little different. Look at that. Had no idea that Dooney Bourke ventured into this. I love finding the older bags that Dooney Bourke did that I had no idea about. Look at this. The French, she's a little bit wonky, but it won't get in a way, and versus being on the back of the bag, it's here on the front of the bag. And this is kind of like a creamy, almost a yellowy creamy bag. Here's the front, here's the sides, here's the back. The back has this great pocket and has a snap pocket in here, and then it has this handle. You can carry it as a top handle, and to get into the bag, it's one of these. And open it up. It has the suede, not microfiber, real suede on the inside. And y'all, it comes with a crossbody. You thought, hey, Dee Dee's not gonna have a crossbody, it's a clutch. No, it definitely is a crossbody. And it is, even though on first look you think, oh, it's not detachable, but it is. These come undone and they put it through here. And if I need it longer, let me see. No, it fits good. But if I needed it longer, you can add extension chain on there, or they have extension rings you can do as well too. Very well. This seller did very well. The price is very good. So here is, it has the registration card in it. And in here, let me find it. Okay. In here, I'll try to zoom in. In here, you'll find the Dooney tag. It also has the Dooney label still in there. And Small Fiona Crossbody is the name of this bag. Small Fiona Crossbody. This is very cool. Very cool bag. So in the front here, it's just the reinforcement. Like I said, you have the suede interior. And what I like about this is I like the suede interior, and I like it because it's got finished edges. I like that when it's finished off. I don't like when you to see the raw edges. I like to see the edges, because it just makes you feel like they have a little bit, they're taking a little bit more care of the bag. So yeah. So I bought this bag because I saw it, I fell in love with it. I kept saying, Caleb would be so proud of me. And when we had gone to, when I went with the Tres Amigas, we had gone to Carolina Herrera, and then also too, but maybe Dior had some too. Different places, they had the fringy look, and I was like, y'all, you know, I'm a product of the 70s. I'm a child of the 70s. I had the jacket that had the fringe wings. It's like, okay. But I saw this and I was like, okay, I'm not going to pay that Coach price for that fringe bag. Although it did go on sale and I almost bought it because I had already bought this. But this is like in the 80s, maybe lower. I'll put the price down here to let y'all know how much I paid for it. But then when it had the top handle and the crossbody, when I examined this, I said, this is way so much more versatile. And the Coach bag had it coming from here, and it kind of had this weird wingy thing out. I didn't like that. This here, very well done, very restraintly done, you know. So definitely like that in the bottom, and it's in immaculate condition. Look at that, immaculate condition. Smells delish. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. Let me take that off. Right here it says Dooney and Bourke. Right here it says Dooney and Bourke 1975. Over here it says, has the labeling, the branding on Dooney and Bourke there. Just very, very well done, very well restrained. You know, if you're into that quiet luxury, I just hate that quiet luxury. It's, you know, it'll fit in that realm. So now I also told myself, well, if you buy this bag because you're heavily influenced, I'm easily persuaded, heavily influenced, then you have to do a video. So I will be having a trends 2025 video coming up sometime in the summer, I'm guessing. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let me know how you like this. Let me know if you remember any of this bag. Let me know if you how you feel about fringe. Are you on the fringe of fringe? Because I am. But I think I might wear it. It's gonna be kind of fun. I'll be in trend. I'll be on trend. At least, or I'll be in the fringe of the trend. I don't know. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you know any information about this Fiona bag. But she is beautiful, I have to admit. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.